This is Kirby and Noah. Kirby's on top. Noah is being submissive. He's trying to get away. They're trying to play, but Kirby is the one that is dominating. And Noah said, "Get off of me, get off of me." Seems unfair, but that's the pattern. Get up, Noah. Get up, Noah. Get up, Noah. Get up, Noah. Let me know you can be tough. You can be tough like him. You can be tough like Kirby. Get up, Noah. Up, Noah. Come on, Noah. Get up, Noah. All right, Kirby, let him up. Kirby. Get off of Noah. Noah, come on, baby. Oh, Noah going back for the kill. Oh my goodness. He's trying to get stable on his feet. There they go. Hello. I know. What is it, Kirby? Kirby. Kirby. I know. You're verbal. Yes, you are. You are verbal. Noah. Hi, Kirby. Say hello, Mom, Dad. Hello, family. Sisters. I know. Noah is going for the kill. He's backing up. He's getting ready to attack. There goes Noah. He's getting ready to attack. He's going after Kirby. There, he's going to get his move. He's going in. He's going to attack. Noah. Go get him. There he goes. They're getting ready to play.
You hide.
That's Noah. He's thinking about taking a nap. Oh, Noah's going for the attack. He went attack Kirby. Kirby's busy. He says later. We'll play later. I want out. I want Mommy. Come get me. There goes Noah. Seeing what Kirby's doing. They're investigating the situation. Let me zero in and see what they're talking. Oh, he said, let's break out. You want to get free to hang with the bigger dogs. Isn't that right, Kirby? Look into the camera. There you go, Kirby. Noah's found the object. He's chewing on it and is letting him know, hey, I'm the boss of you. Maybe not Kirby, but I'm the boss of you, see? Go get a close face shot. No.